Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up the sidebar on your WooCommerce pages on Blocksy. Okay, so we have Blocksy over here. We have our site here. This is a blog post, and you can see we have a sidebar. And in the customizer, you can see that we have, well, let's go back up here to our main one. Let's click on WooCommerce on single product, and you can see we have a layout here and it's empty. We have our normal width and our narrow width, but if we try to select the layout or the page structure here that has a sidebar, it's blank. So let's go ahead and customize our WooCommerce sidebar. Let's get started by going down to Appearance and clicking on Widgets. You can see here on our Widgets area, we have our main sidebar, and this should load up in a bit with all of the content from here. Okay, and there you have all the blocks loading up. And once we click on, all right, you can see we have everything coming up here. If you click on WooCommerce sidebar, it's completely blank. So let's go ahead and add some stuff. Let's make it simple. Let's add a calendar and products list, or yeah, let's just do a products list, make it real simple, and some product. Let's see what else we can add. Product search. Okay, we'll have that there, and if we click on each one of these, we can customize them here. So I can change the colors from here. I can change the typography size to make it bigger or smaller. We have our product categories over here, and other things you might enjoy. And then we can change this to 3 products, and we order it by date and so on. And we can customize this however we want, right? With the block, we can change some CSS stuff with that. All right. So let's update this and choose the right sidebar here. Let's wait for this to save. And you can see it's loaded up there. Let's click on Publish. Let's head over to our site. And let's go to Products. Let's click on a product. And you can see that we now have a sidebar here on our Blocksy WooCommerce page, single product page. This also works with our archive if we decided to activate it on our customizer, but there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.